Hello everyone. Equity markets have been correcting for the last 4 months. In the last 4 months, Indian equity has fallen by 15%. I'm sure investors are panicked and there are a lot of questions in their mind. I'll try to answer these questions one by one. So the most important question is, why is market correcting? The market is correcting only because of one person, Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump, the new president of US, has proposed few actions which is rattling the market. So for example, he has said that he's going to put tariffs on the goods which are coming to US. Now, if he's going to put tariffs, the cost of goods in US will become expensive and it will be inflationary. He has also said that he's going to restrict the number of people coming over there, and he's going to restrict the visas which are getting issued. Now, this is also going to create shortage of labor, and this is again going to be inflationary. There are many other proposals which market anticipates that it will be inflationary. Now, the problem is that if inflation comes back again in US, then interest rates will stay high. And in fact, after the US Fed cutting the rates, interest rates in US have gone higher. Now, when interest rates are higher, people prefer putting money in debt and fixed income products, and they don't put money in equity markets. That's the reason foreign investors or FIs have been selling Indian equities, and not just Indian equity, they've been selling other emerging markets as well. From India, they have sold almost 2 lakh crores in the last 4 months. Now, this is the reason why market is correcting. The second question, which is very important, is that when will market bounce back? Now, we expect that bounce back should happen soon, 1, 2, 3 months. That's what we expect, though it's very difficult to predict anything in short term. But our anticipation is that FIs generally, or any investors or markets generally, tends to sell on the news and buys the event. So what is happening is that due to all this Trump news, markets have been selling equities. And our estimate is that the worst may have already been discounted, because generally whatever Trump does, he does it for negotiations. He says big things, but at the end of the day, he doesn't ends up implementing. So maybe if Trump, goes easy on the decisions, and generally we feel that market should bounce back soon. So we hope that market should rally anytime now. And one should also note that it has been 4 months since equity market in India has been correcting. Nifty has seen 4 negative months, first time in last 25 years. It last corrected for 4 months in the year 2008. So generally we have seen that after 4 months of correction, market bounces back, and generally after so much of FI withdrawals, whenever they come back, the market gives very good, handsome return to investors. The third question, what should investors do? Investors, for those who are underexposed in equity, I think it's a fantastic time. Markets are fairly valued right now, especially large caps are looking very good. Nifty is only trading at a PE of 21. It's an attractive valuation. If you have surplus money, if you're underexposed in equity, then it's a good time to invest in equity. But if you already have a decent exposure in equity, don't panic. This 10, 15, 20% market fall is normal. This kind of fall happens every year. And if you will see the return of this financial year, you will still see a return of 9, 10, 11%. So equities, they have fallen because the froth in the market was very high. Now they have settled. Markets are looking attractive. Don't panic. Should you buy? Yes, if you have surplus fund, you should buy now. But if market falls more meaningfully, then you can invest further to take advantage. I think these times are wonderful. It makes the market ready for the next bull run. So whatever is happening for the good. Sometimes market need this kind of slowdown, some kind of settlement for valuation to become attractive, so that it can give investors big return. Thank you so much.